There's some big news coming in on the Hathras Stampede case. India Today has accessed Hathras details of the SIT investigation team. 6 officials, SDM and Tahsildar has been suspended. The SIT does not rule out conspiracy in the stampede. Reports find organizers accountable. SIT, a special investigative team that's been formed to probe the Hathras Stampede. We're looking at investigative details suggesting that there could be conspiracy. That's something that they will not rule out in the case. And more importantly, the 6 officials, SDM and Tahsildar, have all been suspended. SIT team probing closely on what could have really led to that stampede, killing 123 people. Samarth Srivastava joining us for more on that. Samarth, please take us through the SIT report details that we've accessed.
The SIT report clearly says, Nabila, that 6 officials, including SDO, CO and a Tahsildar, has been suspended in this proper case, where 122 innocent lives were taken in the stampede that happened in Hathras after the satsang of Suraj Pal. And this report also says that the local police was not allowed to enter inside the premises, and the people, what we say, the Narayani Sena, misbehaved with the Hathras police, with the UP police officials, and disallowed them to enter inside. Also, administration and the police have been, in a way, taken into account that they have also been involved in this particular thing by not making adequate arrangements for the proper thing. But majorly, what the report says, it's the administration of Baba who in a way maintained all these things around the satsang area, and in a way informed the people around are the major culprit for not in a way stopping the public after 80,000, because the permission was of 80,000, but what we got to know, more than 2 lakh people reached the satsang site, and when police team was just allowed to enter inside and makes much in a hint to enter inside, then it also goes on to the Baba Mandli who are the Sevadars, especially the followers of Baba, who have taken the security and the administration into their hands. Also, what the report says, as the SDM, CO and Tahsildar has been suspended along with 6 officials, they haven't informed the details about this particular arrangements and events to the senior officials, be it in the administration or the police officials. This is clearly written in the SIT report. But what the major point is, apart from the suspension, is that police team were misbehaved. That means the Narayani Sena, the people of Baba Suraj Pal, misbehaved with the local police and also disallowed them to enter inside, because if police had taken that event into the account, that couldn't have been the case, because we saw many political rallies in the recently concluded elections. All things were into the local police or the LIU or the administration. They know how to deal with it. But when at an event where it's only they are only dealing with the Narayani Sena and the security of Baba is making arrangements, then they are the major culprits behind. Though administration and the police have also been cautioned in this particular event, and also they haven't ruled out the conspiracy. What this report says, the 2-member team has submitted the report to CM Yogi, and the government has suspended the officials. But what is major point in this particular report is that they haven't ruled out the conspiracy and have claimed that further investigation is needed in this particular matter to unsurface the things which are hid. Though Yogi Adityanath in a way started the judicial committee, and they have also taken statements of more than 50 people so far, in which they have asked many questions like were you present at that particular site, what you saw. But as per the sources what we are getting, many witnesses have claimed that Baba Suraj Pal had urged the public, the followers, to collect the Raj, the Charan Raj that we call the sand, after he left the place. And that's why while collecting that particular Charan Raj, the stampede happened. Though that the advocate AP Singh has come up with another theory of that poisonous substance, which has no clue in the police investigation happened so far whatsoever, and it led around a week for AP Singh to come with this particular theory. But what the SIT report clearly signifies, they have not, number 1, ruled out the conspiracy in this particular matter. Number 2, 6 officials, including SDM. You must remember the SDM whose report got viral on social media. The report he submitted.
Stay with us, Samarth. I'm going to come back to you on this.